Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the color changing canvas mockup in Photopea. First, go to photopea.com, photopea.com, and then once it's open, click on Open from Computer. And then find the PSD file. There it is. Color changing canvas smart.psd. And once it loads, you're going to see these layers on the side. If you don't see the layers panel, just go up to the top of the screen where it says window and then down to layers to open that up. To place your art, you'll see this layer that says place art here. Double click on the thumbnail icon next to place art here, and that's going to open up your smart object. Then go to File, Open to open up your artwork, and find your artwork and click Open. Then we want to copy and paste this. So go to Select at the top of the screen, then All, then Edit, Copy, and then click on the tab that says Place Art here, and then go up to Edit and down to Paste. Okay, and if you want to zoom out, you can press Command minus on a Mac or Control minus on a PC. And if you want to zoom in, you can press Command plus on a Mac or Command or Control plus on a PC. And then if you want to resize it, you can go to Edit Free Transform, and it's going to bring up these little handles. You're going to want to hold down the Shift key, otherwise when you start resizing it, it might distort the proportions. So we're going to keep it nice and proportionate. And we've got it sized down. You can hit Enter or Return. And then go to File, Save Smart Object. And it's going to let you know when the smart object is updated. And then click on the original tab with the color changing canvas PSD file. You're going to see it put your art right on the canvas for you. If you want to change the wall color, see this layer that says Change Wall Color? Double click on that thumbnail icon. And it's going to bring up the Properties box. Like right now it has Layer selected, and that's good. Sometimes you might see Mask or Live Shape selected. So make sure that the Properties tab is selected, and then the Layer tab. And then once those two are selected, you'll see the color fill box. You want to double click on the color fill box to bring up the color picker. And this is going to allow you to change the wall color to like literally millions of colors. You can kind of click and drag this little circle around in the color picker box to change the brightness and darkness. And then you can click and drag in this little rainbow slider here to change the actual color. And when you're satisfied with that, click OK. And then now you're all done, so you can just go up to File, Export As, and save that as a JPEG for use on sites like Etsy. Now it's going to give us reduced quality here. We want to drag that up to 100%. Sites like Etsy sometimes use their own compression, so we don't want to compress it any more than they do. And then you can just click Save. And it's going to download that for you. And then you can also go to File, Save as PSD, and save a layered PSD of this too. And that's all there is to it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you, and have a good evening.